Hello and welcome to Current Affairs. We all know Elon Musk, the richest person of the world right now, who is well known for his crazy inventions, sending robots on the Mars or producing driverless cars. These are all the inventions of Elon Musk. So here is a good news for the internet users from SpaceX, which is owned by Elon Musk. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, providing satellite internet access coverage to 40 countries. So in this video, we will talk about the project, its history, its cost, and its advantages and disadvantages. SpaceX started launching Starlink satellites in 2019. As of September 2022, Starlink consists of over 3,000 mass-produced small satellites in low Earth orbit, which communicates with the designated ground transmitters. The cost of this project was estimated by SpaceX in May 2018 to be at least $10 billion. Starlink provides satellite internet connectivity to underserved areas of the planet. You can use Starlink internet anywhere, including top of the mountain and in the seas, in deserts and in forests also. SpaceX aims to launch as many as 40,000 satellites in near future, ensuring global and remote satellite coverage with reduced service outages. Starlink offers unlimited high-speed data through an array of small satellites that deliver up to 150 MB per second of internet speed. SpaceX plans to double this rate in coming months. Let's talk about the Starlink internet connections cost. There are three variants of Starlink satellite internet. First is Starlink Internet. This package is geared towards residential use and costs $110 per month, plus a one-time charge for hardware of $599. The next is Starlink Business. The business package provides twice as the antenna capability and has faster internet speed. It costs $500 per month with a one-time equipment charge of $2,500. The third is Starlink RV. The RV package can be used with moving vehicles, including recreation vehicles, airlines, ships and trucks. So people on the road can now access to the Starlink RV service for $135 per month, plus $599 for the hardware. Starlink currently provides service to 40 countries with limited coverage areas. On Starlink's coverage map, a few countries including Pakistan, India, Nepal and Sri Lanka are marked as coming soon. Starlink has no current plans to offer services to several countries, including Russia, China, Cuba and North Korea. Starlink was designed with rugged weather conditions in mind. According to company's website, designed and rigorously tested to handle a wide range of temperature and weather conditions. Starlink is proven to withstand extreme cold and heat, heavy rain and gale force winds. Let's talk about some disadvantages of this equipment. Astronomers have raised concerns that how such a large number of satellites can be added to already congested orbit. SpaceX has attempted to mitigate astronomy concerns by implementing several upgrades to Starlink satellites aimed at reducing their brightness during operation. The Starlink satellites are equipped with such a material which allow them to deorbit at the end of their life. That was all about the Starlink satellite internet. Share your reviews with us in the comment section.